Hey everyone, welcome to Shreya Coder. In today's video, we are going to cover two things: what Python is and how to install Jupyter Notebook. Python is widely used programming language known for its simplicity and versatility. It used in web development, data analysis, AI, machine learning, and more. Python is perfect for beginners and experts alike due to its easy to read syntax. Let's write a simple code here. Print hello world. Let's run it. So here you can see that the simple syntax of Python makes it easy to learn. So now let's get started downloading with the Jupyter Notebook. We'll do it with both the methods, using terminal and using Anaconda. So let's get started. So first of all, to get Jupyter Notebook installed, you should have Python in your PCs. So we already installed it in our previous video. If you haven't checked that video, link is in the description box. Go check it now and download it first. Then you can continue with this video. So let's get started. So we'll first open our terminal, and to check if Python is downloaded or not, we can simply write python_version and check it once before downloading. Then to download it using terminal, we'll use pip install Jupyter and return. So it's getting downloaded. So it's downloaded here. After downloading, you need to open this. You will write Jupyter Notebook and enter it. So you can see it's opening the Jupyter Notebook, and we'll create a new notebook here. It means our Jupyter is downloading and it's working. So now we'll start downloading with the Anaconda, which is the second method of downloading Jupyter Notebook. To download it, we will go to www.anaconda.com, which is the official website of Anaconda. You can check this in description box also. You can get there. Then after opening this, we can simply write our email here and download. You will get the link on your mail which you have written here. I got it here. Now we'll download now, and currently I am using Mac, so I will download for Mac. You can change this to Windows also. So go to, I'm going to find out. So you can see it's downloading here. Now you all can see that the packager is downloaded. So when you double click it, you will get this pop-up window. Then you will click continue. We'll continue and we'll agree to this. Okay, install for all users of this computer. Then we'll continue this. Install. Okay, then we'll install this software. It's installing here. Oh, it takes less than a minute, so you can install this fast. It's running packet scripts. We will wait for a minute. So we can see that our Anaconda is successfully installed. So now we will check it. will go to our launchpad and you can see Anaconda. So Anaconda is installed and we have opened it. Then we will launch our Jupyter Notebook. You can see Jupyter Notebook here. We will launch this and it will directly go to your web browser and open this page. Then you can create new notebook, new folders, and whatever you want to do in this, you can do that. We can just try if it is running or not. Simply print something. Let's print hello here, and you can see it's working very well. So it means your Anaconda, your Jupyter Notebook is installed, and we have tried both the ways. Which way you seem to be better, you can install it from that. And there you have it. We have installed Jupyter Notebook using both the methods. I hope you like this, and please tell me in comment section which method you prefer, but I prefer you to use Anaconda if you are starting out because it's easier for package management. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which installation method you prefer. Until next time, happy coding.